Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can create your account on Tumblr. So for doing this you just need to go to the tumblr.com and here you just click register. Here you enter your email. Here you can enter your email. So here I will again click register and we will see register form. So here you just need to enter your Gmail, here you will enter your password, so here you will enter your password, and here you will enter a name of user you want to have and click register. So here you need to add how many years you have and click I read and accept terms. So here you just click I'm not a robot, choose boss, you will have another picture and click next. And click done. So here you choose categories you want, for example nature, sport, music, education, and the last auto, and click next. So you just need some time to wait for uploading. And here it is your account, and here you can also view different posts from another users. You can like them here or share with somebody, and that's all. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.